My name is Dr. Bernard Murithi, CEO, Meru Teaching and Referral Hospital. We are lucky or privileged to update you of our upcoming project. It's a dear project to us because last year, His Excellency the Governor of Meru County, Referral Isaac Mtoitenkia, visited the hospital towards the end of last year, and he noted one of the major issues that is affecting our county, that is cancer menace. We've had an increased number of cancer patients in our county, and he noted that as an institution we are only able to offer outpatient chemotherapy drugs to our patients who have already been diagnosed with cancers. He was able to encourage us to come up with a plan, and as the hospital management we were able to purpose for that, and we've been able to make plans to have an inpatient ward, oncology ward, both male and female. That project started mid-December, and we can comfortably report that it's almost 80% complete. This ward is going to have a great impact for our patient. For the longest, we've been only offering outpatient chemotherapy, and those services that need administration of long chemotherapy, that is more than 24 hours, those services have always been sought outside the hospital. And most of the patients have had complication when they go out there. Their cover is exhausted before even they complete, most of the time, the 6 cycles. And that's why we took that initiative to have the ward constructed so that those patients can receive the inpatient chemotherapy. It's going to be complete. We are looking at the project being complete by end of this month so that our patients are able to benefit. In addition to that, we are going to have a centered laboratory center at the same area where we call our cancer center, so that our patients are able to receive a comprehensive care. They don't have to come to the main hospital to get the lab services. So we want our patients to have the diagnosis made from the general side, and those patients are transferred to cancer center, where they are going to receive specialized care from our oncologists who are with us. We have a total of 2 oncologists who are going to be giving them care and also planning the administration of chemotherapy both day and night, and also the provision of lab services. As you're aware, provision of chemotherapy goes hand in hand with the latest lab tests, and those lab tests are going to be provided from that side. In the next 3 weeks, His Excellency the Governor is going to be commissioning that ward and the lab. After the completion of that project, the management is also looking to have another project, a palliative care center. Sometimes we receive these patients who come very late and they're in what we call palliative stage, and we want to offer them a comprehensive care so that even for those patients we are able to go to have the journey with them, so that they are able to receive the necessary part of care, what we call the end stage treatment, so that they are taken care of and they are not just sent home for the relatives to take care of them.